Hey guys, it's Michael from Devoted to Vinyl, and in this video, we're going to be talking about the brand new Smithsonian Anthology to Hip Hop and Rap. Let's get into it. Okay, so normally when I sit down in this seat, I'm showing you my record collection. We're talking about 45s and preamps and the best turntables on the market and things of that sort. But I kind of wanted to switch it up today because I got something in the mail recently that's pretty cool. Now, admittedly, there is no actual vinyl records in this collection. Now, before you leave, before you disappear, before you click the dislike button, hold on, just give me a second. I think that you might actually like what you have to see here. So some background, okay? So back in 2017, I donated to a Kickstarter that was for the Smithsonian Anthology to Hip Hop and Rap project. The goal was to create a comprehensive book, about 300 pages or so, about hip hop, its origins, and all of the culture that was related to it. It seemed like a really cool project at the time, and I really wanted to be a part of making it into a reality. So I donated about $100 to the Kickstarter project. And then I waited. And I waited. And I kept waiting. And I waited. And I waited. And then it kind of got to a point where you start looking around and you're going, where's my shit? But recently I did get a tracking number, and not too long ago it arrived at my doorstep. And so together I thought it would be pretty cool to unbox this thing and kind of flip through some of the pages so you can get an idea of what is actually in this anthology. All right, so without any further delay, let's take a deep dive into the Smithsonian Anthology to Hip Hop and Rap. Okay, so I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this video. I'm actually going to just give my initial thoughts on some of the packaging, and then I'll let the book do most of the talking for itself because it's pretty impressive. But I did want to speak on the packaging briefly. The book is beautifully packaged. You get this very eye-catching foil slipcover. It's metallic, it's shimmering, it's reflective. You kind of can't take your eyes off of it. It looks platinum, you know, and that trickles down to the actual book that you can see. The book itself is white, but it still has some of that foil. It still has some of that reflective material to, you know, in my mind, look a bit more premium or a bit more special. All right, so as I mentioned before, there are no vinyl records in this package, but there are a bunch of CDs. And what I really like about the packaging for the CDs is that it resembles vinyl records. In total, there are 9 CDs, and to access them, you can just open up the packaging just like you would a gatefold jacket. Each package shows the artist and the track that is on every single CD, and that's going to be a theme throughout the book. The book is kind of constructed to walk you through the history of hip hop and rap. So if you like what you see in this video, if you are interested in getting this book, getting this anthology, I will leave a link in the description where you can purchase this package. So if you like hip hop, I think you'll appreciate this. And if you don't like hip hop, I say check it out. Stick around. You might like what you see. You might like what you see.
Like what you see.
Like what you see.
So if you enjoyed this video and you found it to be helpful, please hit that like button down below. You know I always appreciate it when you take your time out of your day to do that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel devoted to vinyl if you want to be alerted whenever a new video drops. And also, if you're looking for more information in regards to vinyl and turntables and just this hobby in general, feel free to pop over to my website, devotedtovinyl.com. As always, I want to leave you with one question, and it's this. The Smithsonian so far has done an anthology series on 3 genres of music. One was folk music, the other was jazz music, and now they've delved into hip hop. And so my question to you is this. If you could pick one genre of music that could be the focus for Smithsonian's anthology series next, what would it be, and why? Make sure you post your comments down below in the comment section. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say on this subject. And once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ooh, this bright light's got me sweating. Need to donate to a Kickstarter for some fans up in here. Damn!